Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port board on the Samsung Galaxy A42 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup. And then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, take out the back cover and eject the SIM tray. Next, undo 15 screws on the mid frame. Next, use a plastic car pry tool to create an opening to separate the mid frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to free the plastic clips. Take out the mid frame and then disconnect the battery plug. Next, unplug two antenna heads from the charging port board. Next, disconnect and pull out the main flex from the body. Next, disconnect the Touch ID camera plug and undo screw on the board. Next, gently using a pry tool, pull out the networking charging and headphone jack board from the body. Next, place and secure the new charging and headphone jack board on the body. Next, secure the Touch ID camera and the screw. Next, place and connect the main flex from both ends. Next, secure both antenna heads to the charging port board. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place and secure the mid-frame by adding 15 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.